Ever wondered how to transform a patch of dirt into a flourishing garden? Welcome to the world of gardening, where patience, care, and a little bit of knowledge can yield bountiful results. In this journey, the first stop is choosing the right location. A spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight is ideal for most plants. Remember, sunlight acts as the fuel that helps your plants grow. Next, understanding your soil is crucial. A simple soil test can reveal the pH levels and nutrient content, helping you pick the right plants or amend the soil as needed. A balanced soil rich in organic matter often provides a strong foundation for your plants. Now, on to the fun part, picking your plants. Stick to easy-to-grow plants in the beginning. Marigolds, sunflowers, or tomatoes make great starter plants. Always opt for quality seeds or healthy, disease-free seedlings for a successful start. Once you have your plants, it's time to get your hands dirty. Dig a hole twice the width and just as deep as the root ball of your plant. Place the plant in the hole and fill it with soil, firming it around the plant. Ensure the plant is at the same depth in the soil as it was in the pot. After planting, give your plants a good drink. Watering helps settle the soil around the roots, eliminating air pockets. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Next comes the maintenance phase. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Removing weeds regularly ensures they don't steal nutrients from your plants. And remember, a little pruning can help your plants put more energy into growing flowers or fruits. Lastly, be patient. Gardening is a slow and steady process, but the rewards are worth the wait. To recap, start by choosing the right location with ample sunlight. Understand your soil and choose plants accordingly. Plant your seeds or seedlings properly, and remember to water them. Maintain your garden by keeping it free of pests, diseases, and weeds. And most importantly, be patient. Gardening isn't just about the end result, the lush green foliage or the vibrant blooms. It's about the joy of nurturing, the calm of being in nature, and the satisfaction of seeing your efforts bear fruit. So roll up your sleeves and dive into the world of gardening. It might just become your new favorite hobby.